Everyone is talking about AI agents. Almost no one explains what's actually happening under the hood. So let's fix that. No hype, just the real mechanics.
First, the honest definition. An AI agent is not magic and it's not conscious. It's a language model given three things: a goal, some tools, and permission to loop.
A goal, tools, and a loop. That's it. Strip away the buzzwords and every agent on Earth is just those three ideas working together. On its own, a language model just predicts text. Ask it something, it answers. Powerful, but passive. It can't do anything in the real world. The first thing that turns a model into an agent is a goal. Instead of answer this question, you say achieve this outcome. That small shift changes everything about how it behaves. The second ingredient is tools. You give the model access to things it can actually use. Search the web, send an email, query a database, run code. Now it can act, not just talk. Here's the key insight most people miss. The model doesn't use the tool itself. It writes down which tool to use and what to give it, and your system runs it. The model decides, the code doesn't. And the third ingredient, the one that makes it feel alive, the loop. The agent tries something, sees the result, and decides what to do next, over and over until the goal is met. Think, act, observe, repeat. That cycle is the entire secret. It's not intelligence in the human sense. It's a very fast, very patient loop of small decisions. Watch it in action. You ask an agent to research my competitors. It breaks that into steps. Find them, read their sites, summarize. It runs each step, checks the result, and moves on.
But here's the part the hype videos skip. Agents fail, a lot. They pick the wrong tool, misread a result, or loop forever chasing a goal they can't reach.
That's why the real bottleneck isn't intelligence, it's trust. The hard part of building agents isn't making them smart. It's knowing when to let them act alone and when a human has to approve. The best systems today follow one rule. Let the machine prepare, let the human approve. The agent does the heavy lifting. You make the final call. That's not a limitation, it's the whole design.
So that's what an agent really is. A goal, some tools, and a loop, wrapped in enough judgment to know its limits. Not magic, just mechanics you can actually understand.
If this made agents click for you, that's exactly what this channel is about. The real mechanics minus the noise. I'll break down how to build one step by step in the next video.